Baking soda. So versatile and handy to have around the house. Here are some clever household hacks using baking soda. Cleaning for natural scrub. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste for cleaning countertops, sinks, and toilets. Good for oven cleaner. Sprinkle baking soda on the bottom of your oven, add water to make a paste, and let it sit overnight. Wipe clean in the morning. Also used for drain cleaner. Pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of hot water. Let it sit, then rinse with hot water. Another important use is odor absorption. It is good for refrigerator deodorizer. Place an open container of baking soda in the fridge to absorb odors. Can be used as carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets, let it sit, and then vacuum to remove odors. Used for shoe deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda inside shoes to absorb moisture and odors. Baking soda is very useful in personal care for teeth whitening. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water to create a natural teeth whitening paste. Good for foot care and use in foot soak. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to warm water for a foot soak to soften and deodorize feet. Also use in heartburn relief. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/2 cup of water to create a natural antacid. Another important use is pest control. Can be a useful ant repellent. Sprinkle baking soda along ant trails to repel them. Also for roach repellent. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar in a small bowl. Place near areas where roaches are present. Other miscellaneous uses. Air for fire extinguisher. Sprinkle baking soda on small fires, such as grease fires or electrical fires, to help extinguish them. Use for polish silverware. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste, and use it to polish silverware. These are just a few of the many household hacks using baking soda. Get creative and explore more uses for this versatile ingredient. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more useful videos. Goodbye and take care.